Are you planning to add some outdoor living space this summer with pavers? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about some paver project pointers right after this. Are you in the mood for some binge watching? Well, you're in luck because today's homeowner has partnered with Amazon Prime Video. Grab your favorite streaming device and log in to watch more than 175 full-length episodes of the Today's Homeowner television show. Get all of your best how-to advice and simple solutions for your home on demand. Best of all, it's totally free for Prime subscribers. Find Today's Homeowner on Amazon and start your viewing marathon today. Pavers are a great way for homeowners to add outdoor living space themselves. But you need to do the job right unless you want to redo it again in just a few seasons. First, start with a good base. Instead of sand, use 3 to 6 inches of compactable crushed stone or rock as a base material. You can find it with the pavers at your home center. Then rent a plate compactor to pound it into a flat, solid surface. Then you can add 1-inch layer of sand on top of that to bed the pavers in. Once the surface is complete, secure plastic edging strips around the perimeter with long spikes to keep the blocks along the edges firmly in place. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.